Have you ever noticed how some women always look put together, even in very simple outfits? Like they can wear jeans, a white shirt, simple jewelry, clean shoes, and somehow still look elegant, polished, intentional. Meanwhile, somebody else can wear expensive clothes, trendy outfits, designer pieces, and still look messy somehow. And I realized something. Looking put together is usually not about having more clothes. It's about having systems. Women who always look put together rarely rely on luck. It starts before the outfit. I think people assume being put together starts with fashion, but honestly, it usually starts way before the outfit. It starts with grooming, maintenance, preparation, organization, consistency. Because no outfit looks polished when the clothes are wrinkled, the shoes are dirty, the hair looks rushed, the outfit doesn't fit properly. And this is why some women can wear very simple outfits and still look elevated, because everything looks intentional. Fit changes everything. And I genuinely think fit is one of the biggest differences between looking dressed and looking put together. Because clothes that fit properly, sit correctly, flatter your proportions automatically make you look more polished. Too oversized? The outfit can start swallowing you. Too tight? The outfit starts looking uncomfortable. And people can see discomfort. That's why women who always look elegant usually know exactly what silhouettes work for them. Maybe straight jeans, tailored trousers, long coats, fitted tops, structured blazers. They repeat what flatters them instead of constantly forcing trends. Put together women usually repeat what works instead of reinventing themselves every week. They have a style uniform. And I think this is something people underestimate so much. Most women who always look polished have a style uniform. Not literally the same outfit every day, but similar. Silhouettes, colors, combinations, formulas. For example, trousers plus fitted top, jeans, blazer, monochrome outfits, oversized shirt, sandals. They already know what works, so getting dressed becomes easier. And this is why their style feels effortless, recognizable, consistent. Because they're not starting from zero every morning. Their wardrobe actually works together. And this is a huge one too. A lot of people have beautiful clothes, but disconnected wardrobes, random colors, random trends, random pieces. And then every morning feels stressful because nothing works together. Women who always look put together usually have wardrobes where colors harmonize, shoes match multiple outfits, accessories repeat beautifully, pieces combine easily. That's why they can create outfits quickly. Not because they magically have better style, but because their wardrobe is cohesive. They don't neglect their at-home look. And I know this opinion may not be for everybody, but personally, I never really liked the idea of having extremely messy home clothes. Because I noticed something. When people constantly wear old oversized shirts, stained clothes, random pajamas all day, they slowly start feeling disconnected from themselves too. And then suddenly, grocery shopping, answering the door, going outside quickly starts feeling awkward. I'm not saying wear blazers inside your house, but I do think cute loungewear, soft matching sets, feminine comfortable clothes make a huge difference emotionally. Because you should also feel pretty for yourself, not only when somebody sees you. Being put together is also about the energy you keep around yourself privately. They maintain things. And honestly, a lot of elegance is maintenance. Things like steaming clothes, clean shoes, healthy hair, neat nails, skincare, good posture. Those details completely change how somebody looks visually. Even simple outfits start feeling polished. And I think social media sometimes makes people believe elegance comes from shopping constantly, when actually a lot of elegant women simply maintain their things well. They don't overbuy randomly. And another thing I noticed, women who always look put together usually shop intentionally. They're not constantly buying random trends, random colors, random pieces. Before buying something, they already know what shoes they'll wear with it, what bag matches, what outfits they can create. That's why their wardrobe feels curated instead of chaotic. So now let's talk about the things that secretly make someone look messy, rushed, overwhelmed, even when the outfit itself is actually nice. Because sometimes it's not the clothes, it's the details. Looking put together is usually a collection of small habits, not one perfect outfit. Wrinkles change everything. I know this sounds small, but wrinkled clothes completely change the energy of an outfit. Even expensive clothes, beautiful dresses, elegant trousers can instantly start looking rushed. And I think this is why some women always look polished, because they maintain their clothes. Things like steaming, folding properly, hanging clothes correctly, taking care of fabrics. It sounds boring, but it changes everything visually. Shoes matter more than people think. And shoes completely affect how polished an outfit feels too. Dirty shoes can make an entire outfit feel careless, especially white sneakers. I think clean shoes instantly make someone look sharper, fresher, more intentional. And interestingly, women who always look elegant usually don't own 50 random shoes. They usually repeat a few clean sneakers, simple sandals, classic boots, loafers, neutral heels. Again, repetition. They don't overcomplicate outfits. And this is something social media made worse. People started believing stylish means more accessories, more layers, more trends, more styling tricks. But women who always look put together usually dress much simpler. Simple jewelry, simple colors, simple combinations. Because simplicity automatically looks calmer, cleaner, more expensive, especially in real life. The more visually calm the outfit feels, the more polished it usually looks. They take care of their hair. Hair changes everything. You can wear the best outfit, the best shoes, the best jewelry, but if the hair feels rushed, neglected, overly messy, the outfit starts losing that polished feeling. And I'm not talking about needing perfect hair every day. I think people misunderstand this. Looking put together is usually neatness, not perfection. Sometimes a clean bun, soft blowout, healthy hair, brushed hair, simple clip is enough. They have a few emergency outfits, and this is something I noticed elegant women do all the time. They already know their emergency outfits. The outfit that always works, always looks good, always feels safe. Maybe jeans plus blazer, monochrome set, trousers plus knit top, black dress, gold jewelry. So even when they're late, they still look polished because they're not panicking every morning trying to invent a new aesthetic. They don't buy things they can't style. And I think this habit changes wardrobes completely. Before buying something, women with cohesive style usually ask, what will I wear this with? Not, is this trending? That one mindset shift changes everything because random shopping creates random closets, random outfits, random style identity, and eventually nothing works together anymore. They understand that being put together is a lifestyle. And I think this is the biggest thing. Being put together is not wearing fancy clothes every day. It's taking care of yourself, maintaining your environment, dressing intentionally, planning ahead, creating ease for yourself. That's why the women who always look polished usually don't look chaotic. Their wardrobe feels organized, their outfits feel intentional, their appearance feels maintained, and that energy translates visually. People who look put together usually remove chaos instead of adding more. I think one of the biggest misconceptions about looking put together is that people think it's natural. Like some women are just born stylish, born elegant, born polished. But after paying attention for a long time, I realized something completely different. Most women who always look put together simply created systems that support them. And that changes everything. Looking put together is usually preparation, not magic. They remove decision fatigue. I think this is one of the biggest reasons some women always look polished. Their mornings are easier because they already know what colors they wear, what silhouettes flatter them, what jewelry they repeat, what shoes work, what outfits feel like them. So getting dressed becomes automatic. Meanwhile, when your wardrobe is chaotic, random, trend-driven, disconnected, every morning feels like starting from zero, and that's exhausting mentally. That's why many people have full closets, but nothing to wear. Not because they lack clothes, but because their wardrobe lacks structure. They dress for their real life. And this is something I noticed elegant women do very well. They build wardrobes for their actual lifestyle, not fantasy lifestyles. So instead of buying uncomfortable heels they never wear, party dresses for events that never happen, trendy outfits that don't fit their life, they buy clothes they genuinely move in, repeat, enjoy wearing. And I think this is why their outfits look natural, because they're not forcing an identity that doesn't fit them. They understand that style is repetition. I think social media made people afraid of repeating outfits. Like every outfit needs to. Look different, feel new, impress people, be Pinterest-worthy. But women who always look elegant usually repeat a lot. The same: bags, shoes, silhouettes, hairstyles, jewelry, colors. And instead of looking boring, it actually makes their style feel recognizable, refined, cohesive. Because repetition creates identity. People with strong style usually repeat themselves beautifully. They don't chase every trend, and this is important too, because trend chasing often creates confused wardrobes, disconnected outfits, identity confusion. And I think social media pushes people to constantly reinvent themselves. One week, clean girl aesthetic. Next week, quiet luxury. Next week, mob wife. Next week, coastal granddaughter. And eventually, you stop knowing what actually feels like you. Women who always look put together usually filter trends through their existing style identity, not the other way around. They take care of their environment too. And this may sound unrelated, but I really think your environment affects how put together you feel. Because chaos around you creates visual stress, mental overwhelm, rushed energy. And when your closet is overflowing, clothes are everywhere, nothing is organized, getting dressed starts feeling emotionally draining. That's why simplifying your wardrobe changes more than just fashion. It changes your mornings, your confidence, your stress levels, your relationship with yourself. Women who always look put together usually aren't trying harder than everyone else. They simply built habits, systems, routines, wardrobes that support them consistently. And once your wardrobe starts supporting you instead of overwhelming you, everything changes. Getting dressed becomes easier, calmer, more intentional. And that's usually what elegance really is. Not perfection, just intention repeated consistently. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'd also love to know, what do you think makes somebody instantly look put together? I'll see you in the next video.